to push somewhere, and that is where you know the game will definitely show. How to put Kotoko in a prayer mood now. It's all that will be left for the Almighty to decide which of these two teams will win. Kim Grant looking to send Accra Kotoko to the promised land where they play in the CAF Champions League. Kumasi Asante Kotoko just returned from that journey. Started with the Champions League and eventually ended the Confederations Cup. But this is a story for Dan Lad and Ben Mensah to make history. It is Kofi Koji who may have the chance to test the pose of Dan Lad already. Bonnie showed him the way, but there would be Kofi Koji to come in. Young goalkeeper Dan Lad. It is Kofi Koji here. The first kick there for Accra Kotoko. It is Koji. Here against Dan Lad. Koji. And he makes it simple. Kotoko in the lead. It is Kofi Koji. Asante Kotoko will now have Daniel to redeem the situation. Look at it. Expertly taken. Absolutely phenomenal. They said they would win. It is Danu Ismail against Ben Mensah. Danu, and he also scores. Planted beautifully for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ben Mensah moved to the wrong side. It's Christopher Bonnie. Accra Kotoko, the expert. He has already beaten Dan Lad. Bonnie, the former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player, went to Busan draws. He would never miss, but you never know sometimes. It is Dan Lad against Bonnie. He's already scored. He's the one here. And Bonnie, again, makes it simple. This man is unbelievable. Look at that again. Ha! Beautiful, beautiful. Evanto Wusu, the left-footed player, in there for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Can he squares it out? It is 2-1 in favor of Accra Kotoko. Evans, Ben Mensah. Evans, Ben Mensah. A decision would have to be made. Whistle already gone. Evans Owusu. And he scores! It is 2-2. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Accra Kotoko. In this moment, you only need to look out for a change. Kotoko played against Unistars Academy. They lost on penalties. 5-4 it was to the Division 1 side. Robert Adu. Now for Accra Kotoko. Is Robertado here, the centre back, against Danlad. Robertado looking to make it 3-2. This is Robertado. And he also scores. It is Accra Hearts still leading. Robertado expertly dispatching goalkeeper Danlad. The star boy Abdul Safiu. He got the goal early on. The equalizer came in from Bonnie, and is Abdul Safiu who's coming in here. Moments where sometimes stars have to make a way, and he makes it 3-0. And now Kumasi Asante Kotoko will have a lot of faith and be hoping their goalkeeper saves them. It's now Boubacar Traoré. Boubacar Traoré now. And so both teams showing their prowess and skills in this game. It is Danlad against Boubacar Traoré, who came in as a substitute. It's Accra Hearts and it's Traoré here, planting the ball firmly. It is Traoré against Danlad. Traoré. Well, it is in. It is a goal. And Hartlepool, well, look at it. Inside of the crossbar. Yes, it is. Controversy here as to whether the ball crossed the line or otherwise. Well, Kotoko players arguing. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko will have the player coming in. It's Jordan Opoku. Never experienced that. Jordan Opoku coming in here. 4-3 now. Former Wafa midfielder Jordan here, and Jordan scores. Lucky it was. Ben Mensah had a finger to the ball, and it is in. It's 4. It is. Look at that. Oh. It is Mohamed Al-Hassan, another Wafa player who's coming in here. Hartlepool looking to surprise Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's Mohamed Al-Hassan. Ado. His partner centre back has scored already. It is Danlad against Mohamed Al-Hassan. Hartlepool, Mohamed Al-Hassan. And he misses. Mohamed Al-Hassan misses. Would you believe that? Would you believe that? Kumasi Asante Kotoko giving the advantage. It is Amos Pimpong, who's always been scoring decisive kicks for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Amos. Is he the one to take Kotoko to the promised land? Is it Amos Pimpong or Ben Mensah who saved the situation for Accra Hearts? Amos Pimpong against Ben Mensah. Amos Pimpong. Amos Pimpong. He scores and Kotoko are through. Kotoko are through. Accra Hearts, they fought. Basike Akono, Kumasi Asante Kotoko have surprised the Phobians here in Accra. Amazing story. The Porcupine Warriors, they came all the way. A former coach of Accra Hearts, and he has seen the team through to a Champions League spot. Ben Mensah, he stretched, but couldn't save Amos Pimpong. This is Hearts and Kotoko game. This is a game, certainly, you would never stop watching for years to come. So he finished 5-4 penalties, but he ended 1-0 at the end of 90 minutes. It is Kotoko through to Champions League spot.